Hello wonderful people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new on this channel, my name is Joyce and I create content on lifestyle vlogs, entertainment, DIYs and every other thing that you're going to be interested in. You haven't missed a lot. Just scroll down and watch a few videos to know what I've been doing on this channel so far. And for my returning subscribers, you all are the best. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for the So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about comedy. Now, if you're not a comedian, make sure you watch comedy. It's good to laugh. It's good to watch comedy, laugh and laugh out your sorrows. Just watch comedy and enjoy. So I'm going to be talking about a few Cameroonians in the comedy industry, or a few Cameroonians in the entertainment industry that are specialized in comedy, that I've watched, that I'm still watching them and I enjoy their comedy. Now, just a quick disclaimer. These people that I'll be mentioning are people that I actually watch them and I enjoy what they do. I'm not saying that there are no other comedians in Cameroon that are not better than them, or there are no other comedians in Cameroon at all. I'm saying that these are the people that I know, and these are the people that I watch their comedy and I enjoy what they do. Now, I'm saying this because last year I made a video about top 10 Cameroonian makeup artists in top 10 Cameroonian makeup artists, and people came in the comment section saying there's no top 10 Cameroonian makeup artist list without this and this person. I wasn't saying there are no makeup artists. I was talking about people that have maybe they've made me up in one way or the other, or people that I've worked with, or people that have actually seen what they are doing and I liked what they did. You get? So nobody should come for me saying I didn't talk about this person, I didn't talk about that person. There's no Cameroonian comedy. There are no. Don't come for me in the comment section, please. Though I'm talking about the people that I like watching their comedy. So if there's any other person that you know that is good in comedy, a Cameroonian, you can mention the person in the comment section and I'll be glad to watch this person. That is if I don't know the person. Thank you guys so much. I'm ranting so much. Let me get back to the video. So I have like 8 comedians here that I'll be talking about. So the first person that I'll be talking about, I'll be looking at, if you see me looking down, is because I wrote their names on a piece of paper just so I don't miss out on anyone or I don't forget someone. Now, the first person I'm going to be talking about is Capiz Comedy World. Actually, there are two people, Caro and Capiz. I know most of you already know who I'm talking about. You already know these people. Like, these are the only married people we have in Cameroon, the only couple that we have in Cameroon. Their originality is just on another level. Like, they are so realistic, they are so natural. They just try to show us the day-to-day life of a typical Cameroonian couple, like the everyday life of married people in Cameroon. Things that we've overlooked, things that we've gotten used to. They teach us lessons, they educate, they entertain in a very, very hilarious manner. You would be glued to their channel if you start watching them. If you don't know Capiz Comedy World, go on YouTube and just type Capiz Comedy World, subscribe to their channel and watch their videos every Friday. I'm telling you, you are not going to be disappointed at all. You will enjoy every bit of their comedy and you will also be educated in so many things that are happening in married homes, between married couples in Cameroon. Because to me, everything that they are acting or everything that they are showing on their skits are just the same things that are happening in the normal day-to-day lives of married people in Cameroon. So go and enjoy their comedy. Go and enjoy Caro and Capiz. So the next person I'm going to be talking about, this is particularly in no order. I'm not saying that the top first, top two, top, this is in no order. These are just people that I enjoy watching them. So nobody should ask me again why this is the first person. I'm so sorry for the noise. If you can hear the noise, I'm sorry. Nobody should ask me why this person is first and this person is last. This is in no order, like no order. The second person I'll be talking about is Timeless Pictures Comedy. That's his name on YouTube. But Richard, I know when I mention Richard, some of you are going to know. But if you don't know, just go and type Timeless Pictures Comedy on YouTube. Ha! Only his face, whenever I see his face, I start laughing even before I watch the comedy. I start laughing even before I know what is going to happen. He's very troublesome. He's also very original. He's very realistic in everything that he puts out in his skits. He's very troublesome, and he learns his lessons the hard way. Most of his comedy starts with trouble, and at the end of the day he learns his lesson. But then before you finish, you will laugh and laugh and laugh. I enjoy watching Richard's comedy. And these people that I'm mentioning, most of these people, almost all of them are English speaking Cameroonians. They are English speaking. There might be French comedians that are the best, but I don't know them. I watch these people because they do most of their comedy in pidgin, and I really enjoy comedy that is acted in pidgin. So go and watch Richard Timeless Pictures Comedy on YouTube, and you will not be disappointed. The third person I'm going to be talking about is Underbelle 237. Who doesn't know Underbelle 237? The only person that we want to beat because he says the truth. This guy talks way too much, but his comedy is on another level. His comedy is on another level. When he starts talking, he doesn't stop. He gives us comedy back to back. Now, he doesn't act skits like the other people do. He just does sit down comedy. Like, he just sit down and talks, like he says things. He doesn't repeat one sentence. He doesn't repeat anything. And everything that he's going to say in his 15-minute video, it's going to crack you up. It's going to absolutely crack you up. He says things that are so real. Sometimes he says things and I'm just like, not true. But he's very hilarious. You wouldn't want to miss on his comedies as well. Go and watch Underbelle 237 and you will not be disappointed. YouTube, on his YouTube is Underbelle 237. Instagram is Underbelle 237. Facebook is Underbelle 237. The next person I'm going to be talking about is Danny Green Fresh King, the only town crier that we have in Cameroon. 237 town crier, the only person that cries even when everyone is happy. Please go and watch. I'll be putting either pictures or just short, like 3-second videos on any side of the screen, so you will actually see what I'm talking about. Let's not be that I'm just weird, I'm just laughing over things that are not funny. I will be putting either their picture, so just from their faces you will know what to expect. You know who to run to first. So the fourth person I'm talking about today is Danny Green Fresh King. He's the only person that cries. He's our town crier. He's also very original. He tells all things that are happening. He supports every other Cameroonian in the entertainment industry, and he also fights that we Cameroonians should learn how to support our own. Let's learn how to support our own, and I am absolutely in for that. Let's learn how to support our own, so you won't be disappointed if you watch Danny Green's comedy. Thank you. Next person I'm going to be talking about is Official Tenzo. He's on Instagram. I'm not sure if I always watch his comedy on Instagram, so I'm not sure he's here on YouTube, but yes, Mr. Enlightener. He's always here to enlighten people. He's always there to enlighten about news that you are not sure of. If you're not sure of anything, he's there to enlighten you, and the way he says it, you'll be confused. Go and watch him. You will enjoy. You will not, don't miss out on these people I'm talking about. You will not be disappointed. You will not be disappointed at all. He's a good comedian and a good dancer as well. So go and watch Official Tenzo 9_96 or something. I'm going to put link his handle on the screen, or put it somewhere on the screen, so you guys can go and watch his skits on Instagram, and you're going to enjoy series of Mothers in Church, series of gossip girlfriends, series of Yahoo boys, and every other thing that you are going to love and you won't be disappointed with where I'm sending you. So the next person I'm going to be talking about is Ice Kid Charisma, or Charisma TV. This guy is always imagining things. He's always imagining things. Like, he will just sit and imagine that Brenda Bia is coming to ask for his hand in marriage. He will just sit and imagine that he will imagine that he has picked 1 billion somewhere, $1 billion, and he will start telling us how he wants to roof the whole of Kumba. He wants to, go and watch him. Even the way he smiles is enough to crack you up. The way he laughs, like, okay, just imagine, say, I picked 2 billion. The way he laughs is enough to just make you laugh and laugh and laugh out your sorrow. So guys, go and watch Charisma TV. I don't know if he's also on YouTube. I watch him on Facebook and on Instagram. So you will not be disappointed if you watch this guy who is always imagining things. Next person I'll be talking about is John Skit Crazy. Now, his skits are very short and classy. I like his skits. He's very, very original in what he does. It's very natural. When I say original, I mean, like, when you see a comedian when you see someone doing comedy, it's not supposed to be forced. Like, you don't have to force comedy. It's something that is supposed to flow. So for someone to be really original with comedy, you will know that this person loves what they are doing or is just inborn. You cannot force comedy and expect me to laugh. It's not even going to work, because it's going to be showing all over your face that what you are trying to do is joy. You are just trying to force me to laugh. So he's also very original. His skits are short and very, very classy. I love watching his skits as well. So go and watch John Skit Crazy on Instagram. The next person that I'm going to be talking about is Pangwa. Just mentioning his name made me laugh. Go and watch Pangwa on Instagram. You find him on Instagram and Facebook, I think. I mostly watch them on Instagram, but you find him on Instagram, Pangwa. This guy, he's acting as, he acts as a father. He acts as, he will crack you up. The way he talks, he imitates, like he's imitating an old band. The way he talks, his comedy, everything about him is just very, very funny. So watch him on Instagram and you will not be disappointed. And then the last person on my list is, now Pangwa is Pangwa237. So if you want to search Pangwa on Instagram, just type Pangwa237. I'm going to find him. Anyways, I'll put everything on the screen just to make sure. And then the last person I'm going to be talking about is Chicherito. Now, Chicherito is not a comedian as per se, but he's a comedian to me because everything that he says makes me laugh. Not everything, but most of the times he makes these videos with this big mouth filter, and just the big mouth filter makes me crack up. Like, I laugh my lungs out. He says things, he's the slay queen's nightmare. He's always saying the truth about everything. He made a recent video about what I ordered versus what I received, and he was saying that you cannot go and order something on Rihanna's body and expect it to fit your body that eats fufu at 2 a.m. He makes me laugh, but he always says that he's not a comedian, that he just created his page to put out things that he feels like talking about. He's actually not but he's a comedian to me, and I know there are so many people on this table who consider him a comedian. He makes me laugh so much, though I learned so many things from his page, but I really laugh so much. So I've come to the end of my list. Please, if there's any other comedian that you feel like is very good, Cameroonian comedian, just put their name in the comment section and I'll be glad to go and watch them. Thank you guys so much for watching up to this point, and until I'm back again with another video, you guys stay safe. It is a bye-bye from Joy.